Is your kitchen cluttered with unnecessary items you never really tend to use? Are you looking to clean up the giant mess of Tupperware containers and replace them with newer, cooler items? If you're planning to level up your kitchen game, we've rounded up a list of some of the smartest kitchen gadgets you can find on Amazon. From making your food look prettier to helping you find the perfect temperature for your drink, we have it all. You might even find the ideal items for your college dorm. And spoiler alert, they're all under $20. Number 12. Pineapple Corer. Everyone loves a big, juicy pineapple, but what no one wants to deal with is the process of slicing it up. It's messy and challenging and makes you question if it's worth it at all. Of course, you could go for canned pineapples as an alternate, but that would cost you a lot more. But worry not, because we have the perfect solution for you. This pineapple corer available on Amazon is the way to go. It's made in the Netherlands and cores and slices fresh pineapples within seconds. All you have to do is push the quick release button on the handle to slide the pineapple rings off. You can use the wedge to make chunks out of the pineapple. The product is entirely dishwasher safe and super durable, so you don't have to worry about repairing it now and then. Also, it is stylishly packaged, so it even makes for a great gift idea. Number 11. Vegetable Spiralizer and Cutter. Do the salads you make seem too boring to you? Are you looking to add more flair to them? If so, this super handy vegetable cutter is a must-have in your kitchen. The cutter's blade is made with high-class Japanese 420 grade stainless steel, and it is the perfect tool to cut your vegetables and fruits in style. This spiralizing vegetable slicer comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can certainly buy it with confidence. Your veggies will look mouth-watering while keeping the nutrients and minerals alive. That means you can even get your young ones to eat their greens happily. So for young mothers watching this is the item you need in your kitchen. Number 10. Gripper Jar Opener. Do you really need a man to open jars for you in 2021? This sleek plastic tool is designed to rid you of the strain and struggles of opening household jars and bottles. It comes with a long handle, so there's more force when it comes to stubborn lids. The opener also comes with a vacuum seal, so it's ideal for those with limited strength in their hands or wrists. That includes your grandparents. It is also super easy to clean and store, as a damp cloth can wipe it off. You can keep it in your kitchen drawer without worrying about anything, and if you don't want to do that, there is also a hole available in the handle that you can use to hang it with. It also has an adjustable mechanism to remove any lip or cap between 1 and 3.5 inches in diameter. It comes in multiple colors, so get one in your favorite color anytime. Number 9. Nutcracker. Everyone knows dry fruits are super healthy for you, but who wants to go through the trouble of cracking nuts open? It's worse than having to slice a pineapple. But that shouldn't be the cause stopping you from getting your necessary nutrients. For this reason, you should consider buying this elegant nutcracker available on Amazon today. It is effortless to use, and the tray even catches the shells that fall off, so you don't have to worry about making a mess. The product is also made in the Netherlands and is entirely dishwasher safe, which means you don't have to go the extra mile to keep it clean. Number 8. Coconut Opener. Apart from slicing up pineapples or cracking open a nut, what can really annoy many people is trying to break open a coconut shell. But now, with this handy coconut opener, you can prepare coconuts at home without trouble. You'd be able to drink fresh coconut water, what you would otherwise pay for, directly from the source. Stainless steel makes up the tool's blunt ends, while strong wooden material makes up its handle, making it very convenient for everyday use. Number 7. Salad Spinner. If you thought the vegetable spiralizer was enough for you to make your salad look mouth-watering, this spinner complements it perfectly. With a gentle press, the spinner washes and dries fresh greens and herbs. You can then sprinkle them on healthy salads right away. It stores away neatly when pressed into the lock position. If you think you want to stop the spinning randomly, there is a brake feature in the product's lid to stop the spinning motion instantly. Once your greens have spun, you can lift the basket off the center to remove your items, and then simply twist and lock the spinner for future use. It's as easy to use as it sounds, and very convenient to keep in your kitchen. Number 6. Mini Bag Sealer. This mini portable bag sealer and cutter is perfect for those of you who like to carry snacks around in food bags. It is easy to use, compact, and portable. There's also a hook so you can hang it up with all your other cool kitchenware. If you get the sealer, you won't have to worry about your containers leaking and creating a mess in your purse. You can easily carry snacks such as sandwiches, fruits, and salads, and they will stay safe and sound. Number 5. Egg Poacher. If poached eggs are your go-to breakfast item, this egg poacher is another must-have in your kitchen. It makes poaching fast and easy, even for complete beginners. All you have to do is submerge the basket into a pan of gently boiling water. Then, pour in a single egg, turn down the heat, and poach for 4 to 5 minutes. And voila! There you have it, a delicious and nutritious meal ready to eat. The egg poacher is made up of heat-resistant material and is also dishwasher safe. It's smart, easy to use, and builds on attractive design. And if you're a college student, you will find this to be super handy. But there are even more convenient items on our list for college students. So if you are one, stick with us all the way to the end. Number 4. Citrus Tool. The next smart, handy, and easy to store tool on our list is this citrus squeezer. For something as small as this, you'd think it would be limited in its purpose. But no. This multi-purpose tool combines a zester, garnish cutters, and scoring blade. It comes with a soft touch handle and bright, vibrant colors. The blade is made up of patented surgical-grade stainless steel, which lets you zest tasteful citrus peels without letting in any of the bitterness. It comes with a protective guard that allows safe and easy storage in drawers. Restaurant-style garnishes for dishes and cocktails are just one product away. Number 3. Snap Thermometer. Number 3 on our list of smart kitchen gadgets under $50 is this Snap Thermometer that lets you check your wine or champagne's temperature without opening the bottle. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? You can simply snap the flexible band around the outside of any bottle, and voila! This gadget would display its temperature for you. Different colors display the temperature in front of the thermometer. What comes with this Snap Thermometer is a wine and champagne reference chart. The product is developed in the Netherlands, and it would help you figure out the perfect temperature for a variety of different drinks. So if you're particular about the drinks you consume, this is the perfect addition to your list of must-have kitchen gadgets. Number 2. Coffee Cup Warmer. Nobody likes when their tea or coffee goes cold, and this portable electric mug warmer is the solution that would help you keep your drinks warm. It comes with an automatic shutoff system and is safe and durable. Even when you turn it off, the blue light flashes for a while to remind you that the heating plate is still hot. This cup warmer is also a great gift idea for Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas, and it would certainly come in handy for anyone you gift it to. Number 1. Dash Mini Maker. Topping our list for smart kitchen gadget ideas is this Dash Mini Maker that every college student needs to own. You can make individual servings for eggs, cookies, pancakes, grilled cheese, and even stir fry. Now most of these things would require you to use multiple pots and pans, but with this Dash Mini Maker, you would no longer need any of those. It is compact and lightweight, meaning it is easy to store. It is also quick and easy in its use. Simply plug it in and wait for the indicator light to turn off. It heats up in minutes, so that you won't be wasting much time with this gadget around. Since the product has a non-stick surface, you can be sure that the results would be consistent. Along with college students, this gadget makes for the perfect gift for weddings and new homes. Not only that, but its sleek design and various color options would make it an ideal gift for any kitchen decor. And that's a wrap for 12 amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon under $20. Check the link in the description below to grab yours now. If you enjoyed the video, Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Joint for more mind-blowing gadgets and tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.